Okay, so it is pouring outside in the desert. I don't really know if you can see it, but it is really windy out and it is pouring outside. And we're gonna go to In-N-Out today, but I don't think we can because it's super windy. And at In-N-Out we can get, guys, Not right now. Do it at the under window. Georgia, do it at the under window. And we're gonna get In-N-Out, but I don't really know if we can. And we can get some hot chocolate milk, but it's like, look at, it's really windy. The umbrella fell down. The umbrella just fell down. The umbrella just fell down.
Okay, you guys stay in the house, please.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay, stay away from
This
the
is
windows.
really bad because like palm trees can.
Hey guys, stay away from the windows.
This can like This is really bad because like palm trees can fall and start fires. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at those clouds. Like it's hard to see, but like it's really
windy and it was autumn time.
super windy. Look at all of that. Oh my god, let's go to the other window. Our umbrella just fell down. Oh my god, Vinny's lunchbox is down here. I know. So you see, I don't know if you can see it, but the umbrella is right there and it just fell down. So yeah, it's like super windy.
The umbrella fell down.
Okay, so like I don't know if you can see it, but like the tree is like super waving, and if you live in like if you live in like another place that's like always windy, this is probably normal for you. But since we live in the desert, like this is super rare to happen, and this only happens like once a year, and yeah, so it just started raining again for like the second time. Look at it. There's like raindrops. It just started raining again. We have to stay inside because this can turn into a sandstorm. It's basically a sandstorm right now because like our backyard is like the Sahara Desert. So yeah, and it's like a literal sandstorm outside right now. And so we can't go outside right now because we will get sand in our eyes. Oh my god, that scared me. It's just a leaf, but it's just a leaf. Look at those clouds. Look at those clouds. Like, this is insane. All right, let me go to the other window. Like, there's like leaves flying everywhere right now. Look at it. There's leaves all over the road. Oh my god. Look at all those leaves. They're flying. It's like, there you go. Got a good view of it. And we've always had that bush. So, yeah. So, look at all of those palm trees. Like, the power might go out, so we're just crossing our fingers that it won't go out. Because, yeah. Hopefully the power won't go out, guys. Hopefully the power won't go out. Look at that. Okay. That is crazy.